Hey, what's up guys? So in this one we're gonna be doing a very common haircut with the number 1 guard close as our lowest length. And here we're just starting off with our number 2 guard open, and this is mainly just to debulk the hair and have like a nice working surface to work on. So now that that is done, we're gonna use our number 1 all the way close, and this is gonna be our lowest length and our base. So like the same way I would make a line if I'm doing a mid bald fade, I'm doing that here. Same thing, making the first initial line, but just with the 1 guard closed. So now going back to that 2 guard all the way open, we're just gonna touch it up just a little bit more.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Now we got our 2 guard all the way closed, meaning the lever is pulled upwards. So and from here we're just gonna be slowly fading down, and you see how the line will slowly start to disappear. Now we got the next guard down, which is our 1.5 guard, and we're just starting open again, doing the exact same thing but fading down just slightly lower from where we left off, and we're just gonna go down from here. And I want you guys to pay attention on which area I'm using the clippers. About 80% of the time you'll probably only see me using the 2 sides of the corners of the clipper, either the left or the right. Very rarely I'll be using the full blade unless I want to cover a larger surface, but most of the time when I'm fading, it's pretty much just using the corners. I know sometimes it's hard to tell, but that's exactly what I'm doing. And you guys can see right here how it's slowly starting to come together to just a smidge of a line. We're going to be taking that out right now with the number 1 guard all the way open. And if there's still a line after this 1 guard open, all you have to do is go back to this 1 guard closed, and that should completely get rid of any line.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
And again, corners, guys. Only using the corners of the clipper. So now we're just going to be doing the exact same steps, just on the other side. And now here we're just doing a little bit of scissor over comb with the texturizing shears just to soften up that Prado wedge area, connecting from the sides to the top.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Now for cutting the top, I always like to start by cutting the back over there. The reason I do this is because there's a way of knowing exactly how much hair to cut without even needing to ask the client. There's always like a small faint line that you can see, and that's the indicator of exactly where to cut. And I would say about 90 to 95% of the time that it's pretty accurate. So after cutting the top, I will always come back to the sides here, do a little bit more scissor over comb just to blend it in a smidge more.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
And this is the finished look, guys. And let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you learned anything new, all I ask for is to just hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly content.